Business Marketing Technology students in the Multimedia Freshman class, welcome back. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. Today we are going to be introduced to the professional video editing tool called Adobe Premiere Pro. And our main goal today is just to get the program open, download the sample files, find the files after we've unzipped them, and get the video assets from the media browser onto the actual timeline of Adobe Premiere. That's it. And then we'll do a screenshot of the entire thing, and that's your 10 points for today. So let's get to it. So we're going to search over here for Adobe Premiere Pro. It should look like this. And once we have it open, actually while it's opening, so this might come up for you too. I'll get those fixed later, but for now we're going to continue with the known issue. That's just an update to a driver. In the meantime, in Google Classroom, there is a link that you're going to go to a website. I'll show you what that link looks like. It's right here. So for Project 1, Adobe Premiere, we'll click on this link. And what we need to do is actually get the files. They give you files for practicing. So we're going to click Get Files, and it's going to download like this as a zip file. And I'll show you the sequence on how to get it unzipped. So once it's all downloaded like that, I'm going to click on it, and right here where it says Extract All, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to put it into my downloads just so it's easy to find. So right here it's Users, Peter.Cheney, Downloads, and then the folder name is going to be Edit-Videos, and mine's got a parentheses 1 because I've done this earlier this morning. So I'm going to extract that. Okay, so now they're extracted and it's in the Downloads folder right here. And so if I were to open that up, I would see all the files that they're going to want for this tutorial that we're going to do. So all the video footage is right here, and all of the graphics like titles and stuff are right there, and then they even have an audio file for us for later on. So now that we have that extracted, we can go into Adobe Premiere. Okay, so once we're in Adobe Premiere, we'll do New Project. And we can name this Sequence Number 1. And I'm going to create. And it should open up our very first window. So the video I will show in class is going to explain all of these windows to us. So while he's explaining it, or before he explains it, he's going to actually show you how to find those files that we just extracted. So here's what we're going to do. So in Media Browser, you're going to see a bunch of folders over here. So what you'll see is this. You're going to see local drives, network drives, and so forth. So we want local drives. You're going to see Windows and data probably like this. So you want to do that. And you want to find users. And you're going to see your name or your atlas number, and you want to go into your user, and then you're going to find your downloads folder like this. Show more of this, and the videos are here. Okay, so we'll do that, and then the video footage is in this folder here, and they'll all be in this media browser for you now. And what you're simply going to do is hold the shift key, like select all of these, and you're going to drag them over into this timeline, and that's it. Like, that's our goal today, is to show this, that you've gotten all of your files into the right place so that tomorrow we can start editing these. And in the tutorial videos we're going to learn, like for instance this very first clip right here, if I were to double click it, I'm going to be able to like scrub right here and adjust what this file looks like, by doing a beginning point and an exit point like so, and then now this file is adjusted down here in the timeline. So those are just some of the things that we'll be doing, but again, our main goal today, get this screen set up with the files that they have given us for the samples, and that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in class.